Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to trigger emails after signup in System.io quickly and easily. First, log into your System.io account. From the dashboard, click Emails and create an email campaign if you haven't already. Add one or more emails to your campaign and save them. Next, click Automation and then Rules. Click Create to create a new automation rule. Choose the trigger called Funnel Form Subscribed, Contact Created, or another sign-up trigger that matches your form. Now choose the action called Subscribe to Campaign. Select the email campaign you created earlier. Click Save. From now on, whenever someone signs up through your form or funnel, they'll automatically be subscribed to your email campaign. You can add multiple emails with delays inside the campaign to create a complete welcome sequence or lead nurture series. Before publishing your funnel, submit the form yourself using a test email address to make sure the automation works correctly. That's it. You've successfully triggered emails after signup in System.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick System.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.